Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. I live on San Miguel Island, and my goal on this channel is to share a little bit of my journey with you guys. Today I have a grocery haul. This grocery haul was supposed to be up last week, but been a little busy. I'm so sorry for the delay. But if you want to know what prices are like here on San Miguel Island, stay tuned. Before I film the rest, I'm going to show you that I bought grilled chicken and potatoes with bacon. You can't really see what they look like. The grilled chicken was $7.83 and the potatoes were $3.71. Alright, so now for the rest of the haul, Princess is going to help us because she's always trying to help and everything. We already had dinner, so we had that chicken and the potatoes that I showed you for dinner. And now for the rest of the things, I got some sugar. These are sugar sticks, or those little packets of sugar to put in the espressos. I got that. That was $2.79 if I'm not mistaken. $2.59, I'm sorry. I'm going to leave the prices on the screen, so I won't be saying them, but they will be listed on the screen, or else this is going to take forever. It's hard to search on the receipts while I'm talking. So I got 3 cucumbers. They're nice and firm. 2 apples. These are Fuji apples. What else for produce? I got some carrots. These were on sale, 95 cents a kilo. Then I got some sweet potatoes because they looked good. I love sweet potatoes, but these are the orange kind. Then I have 5 onions because I only have 1 onion left at home. I got some, I think these are clementines. Let me check. No, these are mandarins. I got mandarins. The difference is, I think clementines don't have seeds in them, and the mandarins do. Anyways, I got some garlic, because I was also running low on garlic. Then I got Luigi's favorite cereal for his breakfast. Got some ham, some bacalhau, codfish. This is salted codfish. It's very famous here in Portugal. I'm not sure. Most people who watch my channel are Portuguese, but in Portugal, usually you buy codfish salted because it's the best way to conserve it. It's the easiest way to conserve it. I got 2 bags of chips, Dorito chili. These are the same as the sweet chili heat that they would sell in Canada. I don't know how they sell it in America. Can't remember. Well, I didn't even check, I don't think. But these are the Portuguese version of the spicy ones. They were on sale, so that's why I got 2. If they weren't on sale, I wouldn't have gotten 2 bags. I got 10 of these carcaças. These are little Portuguese breads. Very delicious. I really like these. I got 1 pack of gum because I like to always have some in my purse, and I just finished the gum that I had. Let's go back here. I got 2 Red Bulls because sometimes I just need a boost of energy. I know these aren't the healthiest, but I rarely have them. Every once in a while, I like to have one, and they are kind of tasty. This one is the tropical version. Let me know, do you have this kind in your country? I got some, okay, I'm going to butcher this, Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. In Portuguese, we just call it English sauce. Easier, muy English. I got this, was on sale for $1.99, I believe. This is my favorite drink ever. Got some laranjada. We already opened these 2 for dinner. Luis had some laranjada, and I have I had sparkling lemon water. Very delicious, you guys. Yeah, so Laranjada. And then 7-Up was on sale as well. Haven't had 7-Up in forever. Then, of course, I got the classic Compal de Maracujá, passion fruits. This is delicious, you guys. If you've never tasted it, please do try it. You'll fall in love. This is delicious. Oh, and I also got Windex. It's just an off-brand, cheapest one I could find, because mine finally finished after, 3 years? I don't have a lot of windows in my house, or mirrors, so I don't use it that much. Okay. I also have these eggs here, but I didn't buy them. These were given to me. These are farm fresh eggs, I guess you could say. Ovos caseiros. These are from my mom's, one of my mom's bosses, I guess you could say. My mom cleans houses for a living, and the woman that she went to go work for today told her to give these eggs to me. So thank you very much from her, or to her. Anyways, that was all that I got from Pingdus. I spent, can you guess what I spent? Come on, leave your guess in the comments below. Pause here, leave it in the comments below, and we'll see if what your guess is any close to what I got. Did I mention the potatoes? I got the french fries, $1.99 on sale. Okay, so the total for this haul is a whopping $53.92. Does it look like that much? What do you say? I also got 3 plastic bags. I always forget my bags at home. That is my receipt. So I will list the prices on the screen. As I'm going through these, I got a box of tissues, some packets of tissues. These are great to have in the purse or in a bag. Then I needed some food for Princesa. I got these just to have on hand because I don't have any more. What is she doing? You guys, I'm not kidding. She's a rascal. Okay, I got Princesa down from the microwave. As I was saying, I got 2 packs of these cat food that has 4 packs in them each. Each of them were $1.49. Then I got these little gourmet by Purina. This one is Tandy, actually. These ones were on sale for 59 cents each. And the Tandy one, I really don't know how much this was. I thought this was the gourmet Purina food. I'll leave that on the screen. The flour was 79 cents. This is just all-purpose flour. This is my favorite flour to use. I got a pack of macaroni. This is my favorite kind of coffee, capsuled coffee to drink, and this was 3 something. I got 2 packs of grated Princesa. Shh. I got 2 packs of grated 4 cheeses, 2 packs of grated mozzarella. I got 2 packets of ground beef frozen. This one was $2.75 and this one was $2.81. They are €9.36 a kilo. It is cheaper to buy this at the butcher shop, but I don't know when I'll be able to go to the butcher shop, so I bought it frozen. What's next? Next I have Tully crème. I haven't eaten this in forever. I guess it was a craving. When I saw it, I kind of got nostalgic, so I bought chili creme. You can find this in Portuguese stores out in Canada and the United States of America. The container used to be blue. It's now brown. Let me know if this was part of your childhood. Next, I got a jar of Hellmann's mayo. Then I got a bottle of laranjada, some cream cheese because I plan on making a cake, and this lemon is also for that. I plan on making a Swiss roll lemon cake, really good. Although I need what's it called? Mascarpone. I don't know. Then I also got an 800-gram chicken. This is for Princess's wet food I will be making in the Instant Pot with these. This is also for her wet food. It's chicken liver. So this one was $180. They were $5.35 a kilo, and this one was $166. I got a container of mariscada, so seafood, and this just has a mixture of shrimp, clams. If you get lucky, you'll get mussel. There's the fake lobster meat, whatever. Just a mixture of things. What did I not say? I got 2 pears, 3 kiwis, and I got 2 heavy creams. This is for this heavy cream is for dessert, so I can whip them up if I want to. That was hard. My brain was not thinking. And my total at Casa Cheia was $42.55 plus 79 cents because she forgot to add in the flour, and I paid for the flour separately at the end because of that. So there you have it. That's 42 euros for you. Alright, and that's it for the grocery haul. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I'm not even going to say it. You guys know I always want to say it, but I guess we just need to learn how to adjust to how life is right now. Anyways, right before ending the video, I do want to mention that I will be holding a giveaway when we reach 1,500 subscribers. We're currently at around 8,000, not 8,000, 800 and almost 30 subscribers. So I am gathering a few goodies to share with a lucky winner. But keep tuned. Maybe in the next video I will show you what I already got. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that. And the giveaway too. I'm trying to gather things that are regional to here. San Miguel or the Azores. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of that. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go. It really supports my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!